Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn bootstrap components. What are the components? How simple we can use these components to make it our development rapid speed. Click start to grab the code of the component and just simply adding to our HTML form wherever we require to present this particular component activity, and we can simply avail all these components. The ready-made functionality library will offer you to use quickly, take a copy of lines of code based on which component you are looking for and avail of it to running by calling this component to integrating this bootstrap framework. How we will see a few examples over here of these components are alert system, badge, breadcrumb, button and group, cards, carousel, collapse, drop downs, forms, navbars, popovers, progress, scroll spy, tooltip, and many more. We have seen a few of components over here for how to integrate to our HTML form. Rest of will have more and more we'll cover in our next lectures. Let's see here a few. Let's open the page. This is the components.html is designed for this session for, and see the alert system. You will, whenever you are submitted something, and you will see a message, yes, your record or your registration submitted successfully. There you have to present a message to the end user. So there you can make it as if it is positive, most of the green message will be displayed. If it is a warning, you may try to like exclamatory error message. If you want to give simple warning, you'll use this color, or simple danger like a validation or issues like this, you may show like this color. Like way, the secondary message, primary alert, successful, and a simple information for alert, any simple or simple light alert if you want to display, or simple dark you want to display. Like this type of activities you can take very pretty easy. And moreover, you will get an alert system from Bootstrap. It's a super easy. Now see here, the alert system will get a line of code like a class you will call like alert and alert primary, the role of alert. This is the class you are going to call from the div tag, and it would be presenting a simple information, which color and which information you want to justify. The color is designed here, primary, secondary, and success. Based on your requirement, you can choose. That's all about. It will be automatically, like you have to make it as a functional output wherever you require. That is the one thing. And the second one, I would like to tell you like breadcrumbs. These are the breadcrumb option you identify. See here. We can call it as the navigation part we are going to offering to the end user. The user, wherever he is, like this home library, the extension links will comes one by one. Where he wants to go, based on that link, he will clicks the button and automatically the page will be redirected. This is so-called breadcrumb. It's a very easy to integrate to your website by calling this option of area label breadcrumb. That's navbar and area label breadcrumb and class also breadcrumb. That's it. This is the part you have to put into your navbar. And come to the part of breadcrumb. Three different variations I have given. For this is for one home library and extension of the data as well. And this is also active, which is the active page. We are going to be following this active. And come to the part of cards. This is the most popular and most designing cards are available in nowadays in Bootstrap. There, some of the Bootstrap may come with the text only, and some of the boot cards will comes with the images. And also you will get from somehow like here it is in a button, you will get it. The card will have a facility to populate how your product information to be displayed. These are the cards, that's it. You will get it from the page of Bootstrap also. And come to the part of the last component we are going to be discussing here. It is pagination. How the pagination is be like this. You are having multiple pages of the data rows are loaded into the front end form where you are going to be presenting like each page is having some around 20 rows, 10 rows. Likewise, you can make it as a distinguish. And the pagination 1, 2, 3, 4. Next functionality you have to give. That's it. That's all about our session of these components. Very super and easy to integrate of your page. I hope it's very simple. You will get it from here, all the components. In our next lecture onwards, we'll see one by one components also. We'll see how to use. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.